What's going on, everybody? Well, I have a little surprise. Remember that last video that I put up about the rental? Well, now I got a better one. This is a 2018 Cadillac. When you pull reverse, the mirrors go down. I'm in love with this car. I love the way it handles. I love the way it feels. This is my dream car. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful, but not bad for a little complaint. Look at that stitching. So here's the story on this thing. I flew in pretty late, about 12:06 in the morning. Went to the counter. They told me to go by the parking area. So I go to the parking area where they have all the cars. They didn't have any cars available. I had to wait there for like 20 minutes. The other people started getting their cars. This one guy got a F-250. This other guy got a Hyundai. After everybody else got their cars, the lady comes up in this thing. She parks it. She opens the door. She pops the trunk. She looks at me and I'm like, is that mine? Or is that for me? She goes, yes. That's the only one we have available at this time. I jumped in and I left. Wanted to share this experience. I was happy because after 18 years I never got to drive a luxury car until now. I just wanted to share this. It's a great experience. I love this thing. The only thing is in Texas we're getting bad weather, so I'm gonna be going back for the weekend just to see what happens. I have to turn in the car tomorrow morning and head back to Texas. I will try to see if I can do some motovlogs get some more moto vlogs in.